Good afternoon, everyone. I'm going to present you FoodDataQuest project. We are a relatively small project, and conceptually, I think we are very similar to the previous projects. But we are very proud. If you go to the first floor, you see basically the biggest banner among all here. Our aim is about integrating different types of data in the food value chain, of course, towards a higher goal, which would be sustainability, in our case, sustainability values. And of course, similar to the other projects, we are focusing on use cases. Our use cases are not many, there are only 4. And as you can see, they are quite different. One focuses on basically traceability in the olive industry. Then we got also the waste management, also towards nutrition in the hospital, farm to fork, basically from the producer to the consumer coverage, and the other one was on the consumer part, solely led by the Wageningen University. And with all of that, we want to come up with something that we call a blueprint. So we want to kind of put forward that technically how you can put different types of data together. That we call reference architecture, so data sources, the models you need to increase the decision-making optimizations, and of course the user interface. So each use case will have a dashboard. Hopefully, we will also study what else is needed there. So for example, we need to understand what's the policies in place, the drivers or benefits for different actors, the governance. We had a workshop today about it, the consumers, and of course how you're going to connect in the data space. So as I said, each use case is going to produce, well, they have already produced some dashboards. Nevertheless, we are in the middle of the project, and this is an ongoing process, and I think from now onwards we will focus more on the social aspects. Yes, so we had a workshop in the morning, together with DG Agri-Food and Optifish. We had great conversations about governance, trust, and trace. And just right after the coffee break, we will have another one focusing on the consumer. So if you are passionate about consumer research and how they approach AI, that's for you. And of course, check our website. I hope I will see you also later.